Okay, so what do you get when you pack X-ray vision and AI technology into a stud finder? You get the Walabot DIY 2M. The Walabot company sent this over for me to check out, and since I'm getting ready to hang some shelving in my wife's makerspace, figured it'd be a good opportunity to see what this thing can do. Okay, so at first glance, this Walabot kind of looks like a stud finder that swallowed a smartphone. But this thing is actually using radio frequency technology and some AI processing to look inside drywall and identify objects hidden below the surface. It's supposed to be able to detect studs, pipes, wires, and any other objects hidden inside walls. And it actually works with your smartphone and shows a visual of what it's detecting right on your phone screen, which is pretty cool for those of us who have ever drilled into a wall and immediately regretted our life choices. So I'm gonna hang these shelves directly above the pegboard, and they're gonna be holding tools, hardware, and all kinds of stuff that I swear I'm gonna be using someday. And so I wanna make sure they stay attached to the wall. The calibration process takes just a few seconds, and I just move in slow circles until the app tells me we're ready for scanning. Okay, let's find some studs. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm installing shelving in our makerspace, and these shelves could end up carrying a fair amount of weight. So when I get to here, it's saying that's the stud center. I've put a dot there. Best practice would say to also come from the other direction just to verify. Yeah, it's giving me center in the exact same location. Very cool. Okay, this is an interesting location because I've already got it marked. I'd originally planned to hang this pegboard a little higher, and so center stud was drawn way up here. So let's see what the Walabot does with that. Oh yeah, exact same location. Very cool. We've also got the two-handed feature here, so I can hold my phone and see my visual in one hand, and with the other hand I can scan. And you'll notice when I scan, I'm moving fairly smoothly. It's going to be important that I'm nice and slow and steady so that we can see everything that the Walabot's picking up. Okay, that's pretty cool because there is a wire here running against this stud. Check this out. Here's the stud, and the Walabot's picking up this wire right next to it. And that wire comes down vertically and connects to our plug-in. If you want to see the exact signal that the Walabot is actually receiving to make these determinations, you can hit expert mode. And the Walabot is looking for us and showing us exactly what it's seeing here. It's determined this is a wall stud, but that is the signal that it's receiving. It could be especially useful when you're seeing unusual shapes or objects that might be harder to interpret. It's literally a Mickey Mouse head in the wall. That's crazy. Like when your kid's messing with you while you're shooting a video about, say, a stud finder, and literally tapes a hammer to the wall just to mess with you. Being able to visualize what's inside a wall instead of simply guessing can give you a lot more confidence before drilling, cutting, or tackling remodeling projects. And for me, it's going to help make sure these new shelves in the makerspace are going exactly where they need to go.